Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to create some alarm clock on your watch, you need to wake up the screen by pressing the home button, then swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Scroll through it until you find the alarm icon, which looks like this, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the alarm menu. And here we can set up our alarm clock. As you can see, at the moment I don't have anything right here, so we can tap on Add on Watch, set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on minutes and hours. And once you set the time to the one you like, you can tap on Next. And right here, we can edit it a bit further. We can tap on Repeat weekly option, and here you can select on which days the alarm should repeat. Then we have the option to tap on alarm name, and we can change the name for the alarm. Then we have alarm sound, and you can select basically the sound for your alarm, and you have quite a few of them. You can also disable the sound if you don't want to have a sound for your alarm. Then we have the vibration, so you can disable it or enable it right here, and then you can select the pattern for it, which is also kind of nice. And then we have the snooze time. So basically you can snooze your alarm and it will start again after some time you pick, and you have option to turn it on or off, and you have your interval 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then you can also select how many times it will repeat. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on save, and here we have our alarm, and you can turn it on and off. You can add another one if you want to. You can have multiple alarms. You can tap on the alarm to edit it. So if you want to change something for it, you can edit the alarm as well. And if you disable the alarm and tap on it, and wait, where was the option to remove it? You press and hold on it, right? Yeah, you need to press and hold on it to select it, and then you can tap on delete to remove the alarms if you want to as well. So if we select it, tap on delete, it will be removed. Okay. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.